Imagine a fighter jet so fast, so intelligent, and so advanced that it rewrites the rules of aerial warfare before it even enters full service. Today, the world woke up to a shockwave in military aviation. The F-47 sixth-generation fighter jet has officially been unveiled, and it didn't just make headlines as it shattered speed records that no fighter jet in history has ever touched. Not the F-22, not the F-35, not even the legendary SR-71 comparisons come close to what you're about to hear. This aircraft isn't just an upgrade, it's a warning, a signal that the future of air dominance has arrived sooner than expected. Stay with us, because what you're about to discover changes everything we thought we knew about modern combat aviation. Welcome back to Next Gen World, the channel where cutting-edge technology, future warfare, and next-generation machines collide. If you're passionate about military aviation, secret defense projects, and the technology shaping tomorrow, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, because what we're covering today is nothing short of historic. The F-47 sixth-generation fighter jet has now been officially unveiled, and defense analysts across the globe are struggling to process what they've just seen. While many details remain classified, enough verified information has emerged to confirm one thing beyond doubt: this aircraft has broken speed records that were previously considered untouchable. Unlike earlier fighters that focused only on stealth or maneuverability, the F-47 has redefined the balance between speed, control, and intelligence. Reports confirm that during classified test flights, the F-47 achieved sustained hypersonic adjacent speeds without relying on external boosters. This alone separates it from every fighter jet currently in service. What's more shocking is that these speeds were reached while maintaining full combat readiness, with stealth systems active, sensors online, and weapons internally carried. No previous fighter has ever demonstrated this combination at such extreme velocity. At the heart of the F-47's record-breaking performance is a revolutionary propulsion system. Unlike traditional turbofan engines, the F-47 uses an adaptive cycle engine fused with advanced thermal management technology. This allows the engine to dynamically switch between fuel efficiency, extreme thrust, and heat dissipation modes in real time. In simple terms, the jet thinks for itself, optimizing performance every millisecond of flight. But speed isn't just about raw power, it's about control. At extreme velocities, even the smallest instability can be catastrophic. The F-47 solves this with AI-assisted flight control systems that process millions of data points per second. These systems constantly adjust control surfaces, thrust vectors, and airflow dynamics, allowing pilots to maintain precision even at speeds once considered impossible for manned aircraft. What truly sets the F-47 apart, however, is how it integrates speed into its combat doctrine. This jet isn't designed to dogfight in the traditional sense. Instead, it operates as a command node in the sky. Its speed allows it to strike deep into contested airspace, deploy autonomous drones, execute precision attacks, and exit before enemy systems can even react. The F-47's sensor fusion capabilities are equally revolutionary. Its onboard systems combine radar, infrared, electronic intelligence, and space-based data into a single, real-time battlefield picture. At record-breaking speeds, this level of awareness ensures that the aircraft isn't just fast, it's informed. The pilot, assisted by AI, sees threats before they exist in traditional detection timelines. Stealth remains a core pillar of the F-47's design, but its stealth evolved. Instead of relying solely on shape and radar-absorbent materials, the jet actively manages its electromagnetic and thermal signatures. Even at extreme speeds, where heat buildup usually compromises stealth, the F-47 maintains a remarkably low detectability profile. One of the most talked about aspects of the unveiling is the F-47's ability to operate alongside unmanned systems. Loyal wingman drones fly in coordinated formations, extending sensor range, carrying additional weapons, and even acting as decoys. The speed of the F-47 allows it to reposition these drone swarms instantly, overwhelming enemy defenses before they can adapt. Military strategists are already calling the F-47 a game-changer. Speed has always been a critical advantage in air combat, but never at this scale. With the ability to cross vast distances in record time, the F-47 dramatically reduces response windows for adversaries. Early warning systems become less effective. Interceptors arrive too late. Decision-makers lose precious seconds that can determine the outcome of an entire conflict. The psychological impact cannot be ignored either. Throughout history, dominance in the skies has shaped global power dynamics. The unveiling of the F-47 sends a clear message: the next era of air superiority has begun. And it belongs to those who can move faster, think smarter, and strike first. Despite its incredible capabilities, the F-47 is designed with sustainability in mind. Advanced materials reduce maintenance demands, while predictive eye diagnostics identify potential issues before they become failures. This ensures higher mission readiness rates compared to previous generations of fighters. While official speed figures remain classified, credible defense sources agree that the F-47 has surpassed every operational fighter jet in recorded history. It's not just faster, it's consistently faster under combat conditions. That distinction is what truly makes this achievement historic. As more information emerges, one thing is certain: the F-47 is not just a new aircraft, it's a strategic shift. It represents a future where air dominance is defined by speed, intelligence, and seamless human-machine collaboration. This is only the beginning. As testing continues and deployment approaches, the world will learn just how far this sixth-generation fighter can push the limits of physics and warfare. You've been watching Next Gen World. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. The future is moving faster than ever, and we'll be right here to cover it.